This video demonstrates how to install the CPS-U monitored entrapment protection device for the LiftMaster Industrial D.C commercial door trolley and hoist style operators models JDC, JHDC, and TDC. These products are not for residential use. This video is intended for demonstration purposes only. The procedures demonstrated should only be performed by trained professional installers and service technicians. Safe operation and servicing requires that you follow all instructions and safety advisories found in the manual. To locate a trained professional installer or service technician, go to liftmaster.com/locate-a-dealer. Industrial commercial door operators are now supplied with CPS-U monitored entrapment protection devices included in the box. You'll be supplied with mounting brackets with hardware and a transmitter and receiver. The wires on the transmitter and receiver are short. You will have to supply wire that is 14 to 22 gauge stranded or 12 to 22 gauge solid wire. Route this wire through conduit that is separate from the power wiring conduit. Follow these steps to mount the CPS-U devices. Assemble the mounting brackets using the provided hardware. Attach the transmitter and receiver to the brackets. Select a mounting location either on the wall or the floor. If mounting to the wall, measure and mark 6 inches above the floor. This is the height at which the devices must be installed. This site has protective rails that the sensors will be attached to. Be sure to observe all warnings and advisements in the instruction sheet. Splice the wires from the transmitter and receiver to the wires running up to the operator. Follow the steps to connect the CPS-U devices to the operator. Make sure power is off to the operator. Route the wires from the CPS-U devices into the operator. Locate the connectors for monitored devices. Twist together the wires for the edge-eye connection. Twist together the wires for common. Plug the edge-eye wires into edge-eye. Plug the common wires into common. Power must be on to check the alignment of the CPS-U sensors. After the quick start setup is complete, the lights on the CPS-U sensors will be lit. This is your opportunity to align the devices. Look at the transmitter and receiver. The green light on each should glow solid. If either or both lights are blinking, adjust the position of the devices until the lights glow solid. That's it. Your CPS-U monitored entrapment protection devices are installed and ready for use. If you need to unlearn a device, make sure that you have removed the device wires from the board. After sensors are disconnected, you will have to unlearn sensors at the wall control. To unlearn, enter programming mode. Press and hold the down arrow and stop button until the LCD goes blank, then release. From here, you have access to additional system and door information. To access system settings, select System Settings and press Enter. Use the up and down arrows to type in your administrator password, pressing Enter after you reach the desired number each time. Press Enter again to confirm and be taken into System Settings. Scroll to select Monitor Eye Edges. Press Enter. Select the eye edge input you're trying to remove. Press Enter. Select Unlearn. Press Enter. Select Save. Press Enter to confirm. That's it. Your CPS-U monitored entrapment protection devices have been unlearned. Visit support.partner.liftmaster.com to learn more about how to get the most out of LiftMaster products with MyQ Facility.